Move right.
Your hero must survive. Defeat the ogres, grab the gem. No code problems for a bonus. So we are over here. It looks like we are moving right. Ogres? Where's this other ogre at? Oh, him. Okay. Okay, so we moving right first, and then the enemy is gonna come and attack us. So then we need to attack the enemy. We're gonna attack enemy 1 because that's the variable that is created. Boom. After we do that, we need to move right twice. And then we're going to create another variable. Name it enemy 2. And then we're going to... I think I gotta attack him twice. I forgot about that. Enemy 1. Attack enemy 2. And we're gonna attack the enemy twice. And then it looks like we're gonna have to move right again to the gym. Alright. So it looks like we're starting off on moving right. And then boom boom, we're gonna attack the enemy. And then we're gonna move right again to about right here. We're gonna attack this person. And then we're going to move right and get the gem. Let's see if that's enough.
Move right. I see you. Attack. But it's dead.
But it's dead. Dang it, you throwing stuff at me?
Ouch.
What is the reason?
Attack. But it's dead.
What are we missing? Do we have to go back down? Let's move right once. Attack. Move right twice.
Move right.
So I guess we are going to the enemy.
Attack. But it's dead. I can't get there.
What? I guess we have to move back down. And then move right. Let's try that.
Move right. Attack. Ouch. Move right.
What I'm also trying to understand is, did we not need to attack him twice? Let's take away one of these. I just want to see.
Move right. Move right. I see you. Attack. But it's dead.
Jeez. Okay.
Move down.
So it already moved down. Do we just need to move right?
Move right.
Let's fix it. Let's go.
Move right. Move right. I see you. But it's dead. Move right.
Okay. So this is interesting, because usually you have to attack the enemy twice. Let me see if we have to attack the first one twice too. Maybe we just have a strong sword or something.
Move right. Move right. I see you. Move
Okay,
right.
we only have to hit him once. Why are you throwing things at me?
Move right.
Okay. So it looks like we only have to move right, attack enemy 1 once, move right, attack enemy 2 once, and then move right again because it was moving back down by itself. I'll take it. Closing the distance, closing the distance. Makes sense.